Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to the third video.
सोना को पूछ लूँ मैं
But I am going to mix. Paint. I'm gonna mix my slime. Let's go.
next week to अभी क्या आज क्या Friday हाँ next week I think we can plan Monday
This is what I love.
शाम को ठीक रहता है आपका शाम को maybe dinner के बाद या dinner whatever
Oh my god. This is awesome what I'm like literally made.
वो तो साउथ सोना भी ड्राई करके आ सकते हैं और कोई बात नहीं अब बना लूँ मैं
Okay. Sorry, not make it.
आपको बात करनी आप
Let's
कर
play
लो
with
तो मैं बात
it.
करूँ
Not make it. I don't know why I said that.
सबके लिए ऐसे ही मैं डिसिप्लिन हूँ आपके लिए खाली ये नहीं I think most of the people
I had a hand
पूरा
sanitizer
एलिमेंट
one that failed. Literally failed.
नहीं कभी-कभी हो जाता है मैं क्या
I'm gonna leave this in the freezer for when I come back. So yeah.
नहीं
I'll see you guys later. Today
नहीं ऐसा
I'm going to go somewhere and I'm going to make a YouTube video
नहीं
about
ऐसी
it.
बस हाँ
Dance battle. Let's go Oilers, people. Let's go Oilers. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer.
बच्चे ठीक है हाँ तो yeah so
So bye, you people.
specific day है आपका कि